Everbridge RedSky supports a hybrid network discovery technique, meaning that a customer can mix and match the network discovery method that best suits their requirements. However, the organization administrator should be conscious of the order of operation. Planning and consideration must be taken to have a successful E911 implementation. Import templates can be downloaded directly from the Horizon Mobility web portal. Please consult with your implementation team for best practices or how you can best apply the methods in your environment. To begin, expand the configuration menu and select Network Discovery. The page displays 4 tabs with different discovery options. Note, most applications will utilize the list as the hierarchy. MAC. The MAC tab allows you to add MAC address mapping. The table displays the MAC address, location, geodetic coordinates, and a description. Click the button to add MAC address mapping and enter the MAC address. Next, select the building, location, and enter an optional description. When ready, click Save. The MAC address appears in the table and can be edited or deleted at any time. LLDP. Add chassis mapping for LLDP from here. The table displays the description, the identifier, location, and geodetic coordinates. Click the Add Chassis Mapping and enter the identifier, buildings, and an optional description. Select Save when done to view the updated table. Once chassis mapping has been added, individual port mappings can also be added. See the chassis mapping video for more information. BSSID. This tab displays a table for BSSID, location, geodetic coordinates, and a description. You can add BSSID mapping here. Enter the BSSID and select a building and location. Enter an optional description if desired, and click Save. IP ranges. For IP ranges, to properly detect users that are located on-site versus off-site or remote, you need to make sure your public IP ranges are also configured. The table displays the range start and end, location, geodetic coordinates, and description. Click Add IP range mapping to begin. Enter the private IP range start and range end. Next, select a building and location and enter an optional description. Click Save, and the new IP range mapping information is displayed in the table. Note, IP range mapping should only be used for corporate locations and requires the whitelisting of the corporate network public IP addresses. Public IP addresses are set under the Organization Management tab.